Now we're about to the foot, and we're going to get into the U shape.
Whoa, back up just a second. Look right here on your left, right here. Look at that, going down, right there on your left. See that? That looks like that sticks out like a bump. But I can't tell what it is.
Well, there's the U shape. There's the constriction.
All right, there's the constriction. Right there's where it's hanging on this.
That looks like a compressed pipe.
Like it caved in.
Like it caved in or squished or something.
Yep, that's probably.
And I guess we're not going beyond that.
Well, see that lip here?
Yep,
It's a lip.
There's
a spike
little
there.
spike there. And then it gets narrow. It's narrow.
Right there, you son of a gun.
That narrow deal.
Yep,
All we can do.
We can just run that one.
Look at that. There. That's where we're getting caught. I don't know what that is. Did it get built up over years, or is it a flaw?
I don't know, but it sure looks more like it's caved in. Because all this right here is kind of round. It's not very big. It's round.
Is it the whole pipe that way, or is it?
Understand is what diameter are we talking about here, Wade? I mean, is this 2 inches this way and an inch this way? That camera's 1 inch or a little less.
Okay, we've spent about an hour and a half using this one first, the mini mole. Went through. Then it's a little bit larger diameter, the Croco mole, and we went forward, and then we went backwards in reverse, and it chews on both sides. So we went to the 17 feet mark, found the obstruction, got more blockage, got more grindage, and then we went past it to the 20. There's a little bit of resistance and a turn or more corrosion. So for between 20 and 30 feet, we had a couple of instances of grindage, and it kind of sat there. We went back and forth, going slowly. So we'll see. And having the water in there, cleaned all this out. Much more rounded. Part of me says let's try to go past it a little bit.
I would look down in here. Keep going slowly. Right? Yeah, that's that. No, it is more rounded. Look, what it is that lead on that edge. But we ground the crud out of it. Running by. It surely is that time.
Problem is there's that valley there. If this gets stuck backwards. Past here, see, this is like a U-shaped valley. Okay, here's going to.
Right there's some new crap there we haven't seen.
Yeah, this is new territory.
New stuff.
That's not the input.
Good.
That's not the input from the washer.
Oh man, we're looking for it there. We never spot it. Now, I don't know what's bottom and what's top.
This is 19 feet. We're on the bottom probably.
I know, but I mean, can you tell on the screen what's top and bottom?
I think we're on the bottom. This is the bottom.
The bottom's down here.
Like
okay.
right here in the...
All right.
There you go. Is that it? Is that it?
That looks like
Is
it.
that the drain?
It could be. Well, I don't know. It's a turn.
Nina, is that
Are we at 20 feet?
it? That's 19 feet right there.
Yeah, that's that hard turn at 20, Wade. You're
Be
having
real
trouble.
careful.